Guku mbura nene igithie na mbere na guthandana kundu gutiganite guku bururi-ini, ruhonge rurathi wa riera ni rurutite mukana wa kuongerereka gwa ikiro cia urugari icigo-ini cia Nyanza, gicua-ini na rugongo rwa bururi kuma mweri wa gatatu nginyagia mweri wa gatano.
Of the season is April. The season ceases in the month of May.
Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rurathi wa riera Dagitari David Gikugu ni oritie aria maikaraga hakuhi na ihumo cia mai guthama amu mbura yambiriria kura, micii yao yahota kuhofanirio ni MIIYURO ya mai undu umwe na matuika.
Risks of mudslides and landslides in some places. There is a likelihood of having swollen rivers. Let's position ourselves properly and keep off harm's way, even if it is just temporarily.
Mwene-ini wake afitha ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Ayub Manya augite kuri na ugwati wa gututhuka kwa mirimu ta malaria.
These actually include the outbreaks of diseases, mostly of public health concern, like malaria is one of them. We've been struggling with cholera up to now, although it's partly not necessarily climate oriented, but it could be a spillover from contamination of water flowing into the drinking water system.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waithira wa Mwangi.